soon. Not dedicated to Nikki.
Damn.
Okay, let's go. Don't you wake up yet, give me some time to watch you sleep here, angel of mine. And I will be fine as long as you're near me, oh angel of mine. But tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Here on this cold day room, just me and you. Oh, cuddling and kissing, making sweet love. A shooting star wishing to watch the sun come up, and then we'll sleep all day, beating our dreams as they lie far away. Drop it all off and we'll fly away, dip through the stars and wake up slowly, slowly, slowly. Tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? One thing I know for sure is my love for you is deeper than any roots. Mama told me so, don't walk the streets alone. I said one thing I know for sure is my love for you is deeper than any root of stone. Mama told me so, don't walk the streets alone. She said tomorrow if a golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if a golden train could take you away, would you go, would you stay? No, hey, would you go, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if the golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay? Tomorrow if the golden train came to take you away, would you go, would you stay with me?